Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the quick and easy steps to log into your Udemy Instructor account. Follow these simple instructions to access your teaching dashboard. Step 1. Open your browser. Begin by launching your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. Step 2. Navigate to Udemy. In the address bar, type in www.udemy.com and press Enter to visit the Udemy homepage. Step 3. Click on Login. Once the page loads, look for the Login button located at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Step 4. Enter your email and password. On the login page, you will see fields to enter your credentials. Input the email address associated with your Udemy Instructor account in the first field. In the second field, type in your password. Step 5. Click on Login. After entering your email and password, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your instructor dashboard. Step 6. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues logging in, double-check your email and password for any typos. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. Step 7. Explore your dashboard. Once logged in, take some time to explore your instructor dashboard. Here you can manage your courses, view student engagement, and access various teaching resources. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials. Thank you for watching.